Hi everyone. I thought I'd show you some activities we're doing in the garden right now. This is Lamium amplexicaulis. It's a winter annual. It germinates in the cool temperatures of fall, overwinters through the winter, very durable, and then flowers right away in the spring. It puts on a lot of growth and begins blooming quite early. And it can maybe be more difficult to get out in the spring because it starts to grow through the emerging plants. It might be harder to get out with the hoe or by hand. So this is called Lamium amplexicaulis. The common name is henbit. So we're going through the garden now, and we're taking them out, removing them, and we could even leave them lay here this time of year. And tonight it's going to get 29, 28 degrees. They'll freeze and die as they lay here. So they're not, really we don't spend much time raking them out or taking them away. So this is again henbit. And it's a good thing to get now and save yourself a lot of time in spring because there's so much to do in the spring for so many other things. So it's a nice breakfast and a nice day. It's a lot of fun to be out in the garden. Let me show you a few other plants. We're going to go over to another plant called chickweed, common chickweed. Here we have a good example of the common chickweed, the Stellaria media. Again, it germinates in cool weather of fall. Maintains itself through the winter. In fact, some of it would even start flowering now if it germinated earlier in the fall and reseeding. But if we hoe it out now, I'll just pull this out by hand. It's right here. Get it out now, it's much less to do in the spring as it begins active growth. So again, there's a lot you can do by staying focused on the garden. And actually when you are hoeing, going through the garden and finding like the henbit here, you can also see some of the plants and start making decisions about next spring what kind of active gardening roles you're going to play. If there's something you forgot to think about or you want to divide or enhance, or it's just a quiet way to go through the garden intimately. And there's nothing more intimate than hoeing out henbit and chickweed. So let's see if we can find a few more of the winter annuals. We'll go over a couple more together. This winter annual is Senecio viscosus. I just called groundsel. I actually looked up the name. I've been calling it groundsel. And usually it's not that big a problem in our gardens. The henbit and the common chickweed are very common and very found in a lot of gardens that we do. And they come with enriching the soil. So as the soil gets richer and more organic matter, henbit and chickweed become much more of a problem. It's very comforting for them to be in highly rich, highly mulched soil. So you find a lot of vegetable gardens too. And here's a gold mine. Here's the groundsel with the henbit and a little chickweed coming up right here. So that's kind of cool. So here are all three together, and again with the groundsel, it's just going through like this with the hoe, and just kind of get things, keep an action going. I think if you take small constant actions, that's such a wonderful way to keep a garden healthy. I call it active gardening. Sometimes we have reactive gardening, and a lot of larger landscape companies are more reactive. They send crews out, and they weed and mulch and don't really take as consistent a role with the garden. And the garden declines, and then it gets replaced frequently. A lot of the plants will begin to dominate the site. But active gardening, when you're active, you're just constantly taking small roles on a consistent basis and playing a solid role in the health and care of the planting. So active gardening, I think, is much more engaging because you're always contributing to the health and well-being of everything, and it's fun. And you learn a lot too because you're constantly seeing change about you. All right, have fun and do some weeding. Get out and get at those winter annuals. Bye, everybody.